Hey everyone, welcome to this course on Dart. If you're interested in building fast, modern apps for mobile, web, or desktop, especially with Flutter, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll explain what Dart is, a bit of its history, and why learning Dart is a smart move for developers today. So what is Dart? Dart is a modern, object-oriented programming language designed to be fast, productive, and easy to learn. It has a clean syntax that feels familiar if you've used languages like JavaScript, Java, or C. Dart can be compiled ahead of time for high performance, or run with just-in-time compilation for fast development and hot reload. Most importantly, Dart is the primary language used by Flutter, which allows you to build high-quality apps for iOS, Android, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Dart was created by Google and first released in 2011. It was designed to address limitations developers faced when building large-scale applications, especially for user interfaces. Over time, Dart evolved alongside Flutter, and today it powers thousands of apps used by millions of people around the world. So why should you learn Dart? First, Dart is easy to learn. Its syntax is clean and readable, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Second, Dart is incredibly powerful with Flutter. With one language and one framework, you can build apps for multiple platforms without sacrificing performance. Third, Dart offers great performance. It compiles to native code, meaning your apps run fast and smoothly. And finally, Dart skills are in demand. As Flutter continues to grow, more companies are looking for developers who know Dart. In this course, we'll start from the fundamentals of Dart and gradually move into real-world examples and best practices. By the end of this course, you'll feel confident writing Dart code and using it in real projects. Let's begin, and I'll see you in the next lesson.